guys, Brad from Bodyliner and Alberta Boys Custom here. I'm excited to show you this truck. 2 years ago it came in, got the coil springs and some lift parts done, and after years of driving down gravel roads, the owner decided to pull the trigger and almost completely coat this truck. You can see on this truck we used two-tone texture, smooth, ultra smooth, and also our textured product, so that way those high impact areas have the protection that they need. In case you haven't heard, Bodyliner is the latest advancement in liner technology. The smoothest coating, best washing, best matching liner to be applied to vehicles. The only thing not coated on this truck is the doors and part of the roof. We did a roof strip, the full hood, full block sides, full tailgate, the running boards, the grille, the bumpers, the badges, and I can't even think of all the other things that we've done to this truck. If you're looking for the ultimate product to protect your vehicle, Bodyliner is the answer.